If you need to replace your Z-axis sensor on your Robo E4, the first thing you're going to do is simply set any filament you have loaded off to the side. Then on the back of your machine, detach the back panel by unscrewing the 7 screws that secure it to the printer. Lift the back panel out of the way and set it aside. Your Z-axis sensor is located at the bottom of your motherboard. Simply disconnect the wire by grabbing on either side of the plastic. Be careful not to grab the wires directly, and pull it up and out of the sensor. Then use an Allen wrench to unscrew the sensor from the motherboard. You'll need a small Allen wrench to do this. It's pretty tight, so it'll be a little tricky to get started, but once it's going, you're good to go. And then simply lift that faulty sensor out of the way and replace with a new one. Reinstall the new sensor in the same location by sliding it into that opening and securing with the screw. Once secured, you can replace the wire and attach it back onto your sensor. Replace the back panel of your 3D printer, and you should be good to go.